And we're here in Dunegan, California. We just finished installing a wave faucet. Take a picture of that just a second. We want to work our way up around for privacy reasons. And so that's the faucet right there. Little high arc pull down. And Wave's a manufacturer, you can see. Right there. These are right out of Amazon. We put these in at our own house and they work great. So 5-year guarantee on the faucet. Anyway, so that's installed while we were down there. They had an old rain sock water filter system in here. And we abandoned it all. The only thing we didn't take out is the faucet that's up on the hole because we don't have anything to cover the hole with. And number two, it's still tied into the drain line right there. You can see that's where it used to drain. So it was an air gap with a drain on it. And we can't take it apart because all of this would have to be repiped, and there's a lot of extra cost. Anyway, but it's disconnected now, so no water runs up to that. Nothing should ever come out of this either. I mean, even if it did get backed up, it would have to go all the way up, and then it would stop when it got to the faucet because it's still tied in. But anyway, so pretty tough to get back in here. A little box built around with a little electrical outlet. Water's back there. You got the high loop or the island vent on the ABS pipe back in there. Everything in the way, but we did get it back up in there. It's as tight as it can be. This faucet, the functionality of this faucet is simply, when you use it, it's really, sorry about my finger being there, it's really just one finger operation, which means one finger on, one finger forward, one finger back. If you grab it with your hand and start yanking this thing around backward and forward, what's going to happen is the mounting nut that's underneath here, down below the sink, it's going to start to come undone. So you don't really need to do that. It's just super simple operation, on and off, and then of course forward and back. Keeping in mind functionality is you do have to turn the faucet on first, and then it's back and forth. Seems like a no-brainer, but sometimes you would think, well, I should just be able to pull this forward. So just open it first and then back forward. Anyway, so that's the faucet we set. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.